Hello and welcome to the UT Tyler Muntz Library video on APA 7 Citing Sources. This video does not cover everything about APA style or all the changes in the 7th edition. We'll focus on highlighting some of the more noticeable differences that we think you should know. One of the most important things as you are writing your paper is making sure that you are appropriately citing your sources. With few exceptions, if you cite a source in the text of your paper, you must include it in your reference list. Let's take a look at basic formatting for citing in APA style. In-text citations in APA style cite references using the author date method. This should be included in parentheses or with some or all the information as part of the text. One noticeable change in the 7th edition is simplified in-text citations for works with 3 or more authors. Now all that is needed is the first author followed by et al. To represent the rest of the authors, followed by the date. However, if you have more than one reference with similar authors and dates that create ambiguity because of the shortened format, you'll need to list as many authors as necessary for each work to be distinguishable. Other than personal communications, each work cited in the text of your paper must appear in the reference list, and each work in the reference list must be cited in the text, such as this example between parenthetical and narrative format. Your reference list follows the body of your paper. List references in alphabetical order, double-spaced, and using a hanging indent. Each reference entry includes the author, date, title, and source for the work cited. There are far too many types of reference list entries to show them all in this video. Chapter 10 of the APA manual provides 114 different reference examples. There are a few notable changes in the 7th edition that you should be aware of concerning your reference list entries. For example, the publisher location is no longer needed for book references. Also, up to 20 author names are now included in a reference entry before using an ellipses, and the label DOI isn't being used anymore. Instead, DOIs and URLs should be presented as hyperlinks. If you do not yet have a copy of the 7th edition of the APA Publication Manual, come to the library. We have a copy that you can use for in-library use only. The APA Style website, apastyle.apa.org, is also a great source for APA style information, as well as the Online Writing Lab, or OWL, from Purdue University. Still have questions or need help with using APA style for your assignment? There are many ways to get help. You can contact the Writing Center for online help with your paper or call the library. If you still have any questions or need help with using APA style for your assignment after this video, contact the Muntz Library.